Ay, sipag-sipagan naman natin, be. Sipag-sipagan. Ikaw naman mag-live. Hi, Eagle Fighting! Hello po! Good morning! What are you doing? Wala. Kakatapos na ng breakfast namin. So, may yung kasama namin nag-work from home. So, may meeting siya. Hindi ako makapag-live dun sa loob kasi may meeting siya. Nakakahiya naman, mag-iingay ako. Dito na lang ako sa labas. Diba? Bakit naman soy inom ka agad ng gamot? Baka para hindi magtuloy sa mga nagpakaramdam mo. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. Eagle fighting. Thank you so much. Ay, pa yung water tank. Big siguro side, nandiyan sa gilid ng bedside. I understanding po. You understanding po. Ang kaganda ng mga English dito, no? I don't know Tagalog because I don't your co-Filipino. Really? So I have to speak in English? Oh, yun. It's a brain damage. Thank you. Iinom pa ako ng
Wala dyan niya.
What? Thank you, Eagle Fighting. Thank you for coming into my life. Oh, Eagle Fighting. TK po. Oh, di ba? Po is Tagalog. I will eat. Ano kakainin mo, Soy? Ano kakainin mo, Soy? Soy! Soy! Turo mo ako, Soy. Paano ba tinatanggal yung dito? I want soup. What soup? Soy, saan tinatanggal dito yung yung ganyan? You will eat pastor, no? I want soup pastor because I know some words in Tagalog. Very good. Very good. You're very good, Eagle Fighting. So, saan ba tinatanggal dito yung sige, tura mo ko para matanggal yan kasi baka mamaya magsabi ka dyan ng buwisit na naman, nagmumura na naman. Hello, new sub. Hello, correction officer. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Corrections officer. Wow. When you live. Naka-live nga ako eh. Paano tinatanggal? Saan pinipindot dito yung look below? O, yung may parang sun na may ganon-ganon. Look below. For today, you look very beautiful. Eager fighting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You look, for today lang. For today. Sa left side. Dito. Baka left side mo ha, o left side ko. Lighting on, tsaka lighting off to. Dito sa side. Hide. Onan, ultra, naman. Hello, sir. Sino yun nandyan? Sino, sir? Kaya yun dito? Sa left side. Like a wheel. Oh. Soy, saan ka na? Like a wheel. Ate! Di ba may parang circle, tas may ganon-ganon? If horizontal, nothing.